So we are going to create a brand new project. And the language should be C#. We are going to limit here to MVC. And we want ASP.NET Web Application, .NET Framework. We're going to call this MVC Test Company. And if you are working at home, you can just keep it in the default location. You do want the solution in the same directory as the project, so make sure you have a check there. If you're at school, you're going to want to change this to your Q drive or a jump drive. And we're going to go ahead and click on Create. And we do want an MVC application. We are not going to add authentication in this one. And we're not going to worry about unit testing at this point. So we're going to go ahead, make sure you've got MVC selected, and hit Create. And this is going to give us, or it should give us, the home controller and home views. And we'll just verify that. And under home, we've got our 3 views that correspond to the action methods that are in our home controller. And we'll go ahead and run this. Okay, and so here is our very simple app at this point. So I'm going to close this because we're going to be adding a couple of empty controllers. So to create a controller, what we're going to do is right-click on the controller folder. Going to go to Add, and at the top of the menu, we're going to pick Controller. And you'll see there's a lot of different types of controllers that you can add. We're going to be mainly dealing with the MVC5 controller types, and we're just going to start by adding an empty one. So you're going to choose Empty and Add. Okay, so all controllers end with the word controller. So default is a horrible name for a controller, so we're going to change it to employee. And we're going to add that one. And then you'll notice that we have now an employee controller, and it does not have much in it. And we also have a folder for the employee views. We're going to right-click on controllers, and we're going to add another empty one. And this one we're going to call Customer. Okay, and it should have added a customer folder under views, and you'll notice there are no views at this point. Okay, so even though when it created the controllers, we did get a little index action method, okay, it did not add anything under the views. Okay, and we are going to be manually adding to these.